Are you a playlist producer or a channel rack producer? Hey guys, it's me again. So there are two types of FL producers: playlist producers and channel rack producers. මොකද්ද මේකේ තියෙන ලොකු difference එක? See, there was a difference on the volume range, right? When you extract audio to the playlist, it sounds spot on and louder. But when you extract audio to the channel rack, it sounds soft. Why is that? Well, when it comes to the playlist, it gives you 100% of the volume and the velocity range. But when it comes to the channel rack, it will only give you 80% of the velocity range. So when it comes to like 808s and kicks, you gotta make sure this velocity is at 100%. ඒකේ ලොකු issue එකක් වෙන්නේ නැහැ. Make sure you get the perfect velocity and adjust however you want. I myself a playlist producer, so what I do is I always use this volume knob over here to control the adjustments to however I want and to make my track. Well, what do you guys think about this? Let me know in the comments and I'll see you guys next time.